In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam not buying games. If you are seeing errors at checkout or your purchase just won't go through, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes in a calm, simple order. First, turn off any VPN or proxy. Steam's fraud prevention is strict, and purchases routed through anonymous proxies or VPNs are often declined automatically. Pause or disconnect your VPN app. Disable any proxy settings in your operating system. And check your browser extensions too. Some privacy tools quietly route traffic through proxies. Once everything's off, try the purchase again. Next, restart Steam completely. Don't just close the window, fully exit. On Windows, right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit, and give it a few seconds. If you are comfortable, you can also confirm that Steam isn't running in the background before relaunching. A fresh start clears temporary glitches that can break checkout pages or payment pop-ups. If the client is still stubborn, try buying through the website. Open a trusted browser. Go to the Steam store, sign in to the same account, add the game to your cart, and proceed to checkout. The web flow sometimes bypasses client-specific issues and can succeed even when the app doesn't, if that doesn't help. Clear Steam's download cache. In the Steam app, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This refreshes stored data that can interfere with the store or cart. Keep in mind, you'll be signed out, so be ready to log back in afterward. Now, double-check your payment details. Make sure your card number, expiration date, and CVV are correct, and that your billing name, address, and country exactly match what your bank has on file and what's set in your Steam account. Even a small mismatch in postal code, apartment number formatting, or country can cause declines. If you've recently moved or traveled, confirm your Steam account country reflects your current, legitimate location. Finally, verify you have sufficient funds. Check your bank balance or wallet balance before retrying. If you are using a prepaid or gift card, many issuers require you to register a billing address on their website first. Without that registration, address verification will fail on Steam. Also note that small temporary authorization holds can briefly reduce your available balance, so give it a moment and try again if needed. Work through these steps patiently and test your purchase after each one. With careful checks, most transactions will go through. Thanks for watching.